Hello children, this is my teddy bear Dandelion. He was very excited the other night because something exciting was happening in our house. It was a special celebration and we all went out into the garden. It was a little bit chilly. I wonder what we did. Let's find out, shall we?
Teddy's bonfire night. Teddy is excited. It is bonfire night. He puts on some warm clothes. He goes into the garden. There is a bonfire. He roasts a marshmallow. Delicious. He holds a sparkler. He watches fireworks. Time to warm up. Bonfire night was fun.